And the first step in building your website is actually registering your domain name, because your domain name is the address where people are going to go to visit your website. So in this training, I'm going to show you how to register your domain name with Namecheap. So let's get in right here. So I am on Namecheap website. So I'm showing you Namecheap. Namecheap is one of the domain registering companies that I trust. I've been using them for many years, and their service and support is very good. There are many other companies that you can use. So I'm going to show you how to register your domain name using Namecheap, right? So first you need to do is to sign up here if you have not created an account with them. But I have created an account, so I will just going to log into my account. Okay, so the account I have with them, so I'm going to log into the account. So I have my account login details saved in my password manager. So I am just picking it up from there. So I am logged in now. Okay, so once you create an account and login, so this is what you are going to have. So next thing you need to do is to now take that name that you have chosen that you want to register, and you just go to domain name search. You can actually do the domain name search even before you create an account, but since you are going to create an account on the long run, so I just went straight to my account and login, and you can actually create your own account and login immediately. So here is where you're going to put the domain name that you want to register. So I'm going to put in the domain name here. So this is the domain name I want to register. I want to search for the availability, because if that name is not available, you cannot register that name. So let's wait for it to search and tell us whether this name is available or not. Okay, good. So this name we want to register is available. It's called aviationmediaafrica.com. So it is available, right? So it's available. So there is a coupon code here which we can use. So I want to copy it out. Coupon code is actually what enables you to get a lower fee or cost out of the total amount you are supposed to pay. So this is the actual amount for registering it for the first year. So now this retail amount means that when you are renewing it after 1 year, this is the amount you are going to pay. Okay, so now we have actually confirmed that our domain name is available. As you can see, it is available. So next thing we are going to do is to click on add to cart, which I've done. So now I click on check out. Okay, so I click on check out. Now, so this is the total amount I'm going to pay. Okay, so this is other products that they have that if I'm interested in that I can buy. This is SSL. This what gives you this padlock key, like you can see here. This padlock is called SSL certificate. So once you have that certificate activated on your domain, you have this padlock. What it does is to tell people that your website is safe and secured for them to put in their details, right? So next thing is also we don't need all these other ones. The next thing we need here is web hosting. So if you don't have a web hosting account already purchased, you need to purchase a web hosting package, which you can do by just adding this. Now for this SSL certificate, if you are buying a web hosting, most of the cases they will give you the SSL free, but I have a hosting account I'm using, so I am not going to do that. Now the coupon code that I copied from there, I want to apply it and see if I can get a discount with that coupon code. Okay, so they say this coupon has already been applied on the account, so that coupon is no longer available. So it has already been applied on this, so nothing to worry about. I go ahead to continue to process my order. I click on confirm order. Click on confirm order. So now if you have not added a card already, so you will need to add your debit card or your credit cards, depending on what you want to pay for. You can actually also pay with your PayPal or any other one you have. So now my card is already set up on this account. So if I need to use a new card, or I can also go to change and click on new account. So I'll just come here and say and click on this arrow. So you can see there you can use card to pay. You can also use PayPal. You can also fund your account before you start. So you can add new card here, but I'm going to use my existing card, okay, so that we can complete the checkout process. So now we are set to pay now. My card is already set up there, so I'll just click on pay now. Okay, so I click on pay now and I'll wait for the payment to the system to charge my card. So once your card is funded, it will be charged automatically, right? It will be charged. So just wait for it to process. Just wait for it to process. So you can see we are registering this domain for 1 year. So by next year, it will be due for another registration and we are paying this amount, okay? So that's the amount we are going to pay. So let's see the confirmation page. Okay, good. So our payment was successful. Thank you for your purchase. Your order has been placed, blah, 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 and all that. So you can see the purchase one. So this is the domain we just registered. We got a free domain privacy for 1 year at no cost. So next step is for you to set up your DNS, set up your WordPress website, redirect your domain if that is what you are interested in, but that's not what we are doing now. So if you actually purchase your hosting from another hosting company, you need to either click here to manage your account, or you click on set up DNS, that's domain name server. So you click there and you enter your domain name server from the hosting company that you have, and you put it here so that your domain and your hosting will work together. But if you purchase your hosting with one company, like you purchase your hosting and domain with Namecheap, everything will work seamlessly and you don't need to do any other thing. So that is it for this video. This is how to register your domain with Namecheap, and I'm sure you should be able to do that. As you can see, it's an easy step-by-step process. So go there now, register your domain and get your website started, and I'll see you in another video.